Guys, this is my day 6. If you haven't watched my day 5, it's actually not a short, it's actually a video. Hey, stop putting the wish. Actually, let you guys explore too if you watch it. You, stop adding the wish. Okay, time to dig. I'm still really digging with this because this is the goodest spoon in every world. Yo. Stop being sauce.
Ako maghahawak.
No.
Okay. Oh, a spoon! Patay!
Hey!
Nasisira mo. Ito yung the paper, ito yung cardboard doll.
Hey!
I found the dicks.
Hey! Huwag ka 2 pesos!
Okay guys,
I
here's
said
what I
sticks.
made. Ayan.
I said sticks, not dicks.
This is
Just
what
do
I
this,
made,
guys. If
This is what I
Ew,
made,
that
guys.
sounds-
Hello, this is me.
Sounds like what Kuya Boo did dati.
Itong kapatid ko. Ito ha.
Hey, stop watching. That's why I don't want you to hold this the camera.
You need two
So
parts.
many poo-poo.
2 parts for the boys and 1 part for the girl. Yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna cover this too.
Bukod ulong lalaki. Kasi maliit ang buhok eh.
Tagtagin na natin.
Maliit ang buhok eh. Kaya ano.
This is the access dirt, so time to dig again. If I found some special item here, I will be so impressed.
If I found food in there, I'll be so impressed.
If I find poop in there, I'll be toilet. So I can flush that. Bye-bye!
Okay, guys.
Guys, good.
Mahaba ang video mo kapon. Bye!